Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to change profile picture on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to change profile picture on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to change profile picture on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to change profile picture on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing profile picture on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will change profile picture on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this screen click on edit profile, and then click on your profile picture. And now click on new profile picture and select a picture from your gallery, and then click on arrow icon in the right top corner. Now again click on it and then click on done, and your profile picture has been changed on Thread app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to change profile picture on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.